In this section, we will talk about the Mendel's law of segregation. Mendel studied the inheritance of seed shape first. For this purpose, he crossed or reproduced two plants having one contrasting trait. That's the seed shape. It can be round or wrinkled. A cross in which only one trait is studied at a time is called. As a monohybrid cross, Mendel crossed a true breeding round-seeded plant with a true breeding wrinkled seeded plant. All resulting seeds of the next generation were round. Mendel declared the trait round seeds as dominant, while wrinkled seeds as recessive. The following year, Mendel planted these seeds and allowed the new plants to self-fertilize. As a result, he got 7,324 seeds, out of which 5,474 round and 1,850 wrinkled. So round seeds are 3 times the wrinkled seeds. Let's understand this. The parental generation is denoted as P1 generation. The offspring of P1 generation are F1 generation, called as first filial. The cross of parental generation, that's round, and wrinkled seed result in all round seeds. The cross in F1 generation produces F2 generation, called as second filial. So, the cross of F1 generation, which is between round seed, and round seed produced 75% round seeds and 25% wrinkled seeds. So, as we have discussed that, he got 7,324 seeds, out of which 5,074 round and 1,850 wrinkled. So round seeds are 3 times the wrinkled seeds. Do you know, what is the Punnett square? Well, the Punnett square is a diagram that is used to predict an outcome of a particular cross or breeding experiment. It is named after R.C. Punnett, who was English mathematician. The gametes of both parents, having all possible genetic setups, are determined. A checkerboard is used to cross all the possible gametes of one parent with all the gametes of other parent. So, genotype of one offspring gain one capital R from one parent and one capital R from other parent. So, his genotype will be capital R and capital R. And Mendel declared the trait round seeds as dominant. So, denoted by capital R and capital R. Similarly, other offspring will get small r from one parent and one capital R from another parent, and capital R is dominant over small r, so seed will be round. Other offspring will get one small r from one parent and other capital R from other parent. Capital R is dominant over small r, so seed will be round. Other offspring will get one small r from one parent and one small r from other parent, as recessive is denoted by small r, so seed is wrinkled. In this way, a biologist can find all the possible genotypes of offspring. Now let's discuss it in detail. The parental generation is denoted as P1 generation. One is round and other is wrinkled. Gametes will be generated, capital R from one parent and small r from another parent. The offspring of P1 generation are F1 generation, called as first filial. They all will be round with capital R and small r. The cross in F1 generation produces F2 generation called a second filial. Let's understand it. F1 generation is round, with one capital R and one small r. So, after the cross in F1 generation, gametes will be generated by both parents. One parent will produce capital R and small r. Similarly, other parent will also produce capital R and small r. Now, using the Punnett square, capital R and small r from one parent, and capital R and small r from other parent. Now F2 generation will be produced. Capital R from one parent and capital R from other parent. It will be round. Now capital R from one parent, small r from other parent. It will be round. Now capital R from one parent, small r from other parent. It will be round. Now small r from one parent, small r from other parent. It will be wrinkled. So 75% round seeds and 25% wrinkled seeds will be produced. It means round seeds are 3 times the wrinkled seeds. This law is called as law of segregation, as Mendel concluded that the traits under study were controlled by discrete or separable factors or genes. In each organism, the genes are present in pairs. During gamete formation, the genes or alleles of each pair segregate from each other, and each gamete receives one gene from the pair. When the gametes of male and female parents unite, the resulting offspring again gets the genes in pairs. These conclusions were called the law of segregation. Moving forward, the earlobes of some people are free, while others have elongated attachment to the neck. It to be determined by 2 alleles of the same gene, capital F for free and small f for attached. Capital F is dominant and small f is suppressive. Now let's understand the mating between different homozygotes. Consider a man carrying 2 copies of capital F with free earlobes, married to a woman with attached earlobes, and 2 copies of small f. Both can produce only one kind of gamete, capital F for the man, small f for the woman. All their children will have 1 copy of each allele, that is, capital F from father and small f from mother, and it is found that all such children have free earlobes, because capital F is dominant to small f. Now let's understand mating between different heterozygotes. Father has free ear lobes with capital F and small f. Similarly, mother also has free ear lobes with capital F and small f. A man has free ear lobe with capital F and small f, married to a woman which also has free ear lobe with capital F and small f. Both are heterozygous, as those with different alleles are heterozygotes. Father will produce capital F and small f gametes. Similarly, mother will produce capital F and small f gametes. Now, Punnett square will help us to understand the genotype of offspring. These are from father, and these are from mother. Capital F from mother, and capital F from father. Will produce offspring with capital F and capital F, small f from mother, and capital F from father. Will produce offspring with capital F and small f. Capital F from mother and small f from father will produce offspring with capital F and small f. Small f from mother and small f from father will produce offspring with small f and small f. Now one offspring with capital F and capital F. Two offspring with capital F and small f. And one offspring with small f and small f. So, 3 offspring with 3 ear lobes. And one offspring with attached ear lobe will be produced. So, this was all about this section. In our next section, we will talk about the Mendel's law of independent assortment.
Watch our medical videos anytime and anywhere. Download sqadia.com app now.